Today what we're doing is vane position sensor install on a 2006 LBZ Duramax. We'll get going and get this put in, just give you a brief description on how to install it. Air respirator off the top. It's pretty easy to take off, and then it opens up to your vane position sensor right here. You'll also have to relocate the battery jump post to get to the other end of the sensor, the connector end. Just take this 10mm bolt out of the battery jump post. And you can pull it around the power steering reservoir to relocate it out of the way. And you can see the other end of the electrical connector down here. All you have to do is unplug it and pop the connector off. And this is a factory connector end pulled off. They route it through the brackets. Best way I've found to remove it, as long as there's not a core on it, is to just cut the wire, and then you can pull the rest of the harness through, and then you get onto the sensor itself. You'll have to cut the metal band on the heat coating. And that can be discarded. Now with the sensor wire pulled out and the coating taken off the sensor, you can break it loose. 1-inch wrench is what I use. It doesn't fit perfectly, but it works to get the job done. And there's the sensor removed. And you can thread the new one in. Tighten it down. And unlike the factory, you can reroute the vane position sensor. Down and around this way. And with it routed back down and around, you can plug it in, the new sensor in, and reconnect it to the bracket. Which is actually 180 off where it is from the factory, but with it routed like this, it's a lot easier to work on. And reinstall your jump start post. reinstall the air respirator box. And the sensor is now installed. You will have to either take it to a dealer, or if you have a Tech 2 or a programmer, you can do a Vane position relearn, and that is installing.